Hey everyone, I'm Erica. Welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. If you're looking for a way to boost your productivity or level up your gaming on the go, you're gonna love this. Today we're checking out the ARZOPA 16.1-inch portable monitor, a sleek 144Hz display that's perfect for work and play. Stick around to see if it's the right fit for you, and don't forget to check the link in the description for the best deal on Amazon. Let's dive into the features. The ARZOPA Z1FC is a 16.1-inch Full HD 1080p IPS monitor with a 144Hz refresh rate for super smooth visuals. It boasts a 106% sRGB color gamut for vibrant, accurate colors and HDR support for better contrast. The built-in aluminum alloy kickstand adjusts to your preferred angle in both portrait and landscape modes, and at just 1.7 pounds and 0.3 inches thick, it's ultra-portable. It connects easily with two USB-C ports and a mini HDMI, working with laptops, PCs, Macs, PS5, Xbox, Switch, and even phones. Plus, it comes with all the cables you need: USB-C to USB-C, USB-A to USB-C, and HDMI to mini HDMI, and has built-in speakers for decent audio. Now the pros. This monitor is a game changer for gamers and professionals alike. The 144Hz refresh rate makes games buttery smooth, and the vibrant display pops for movies or creative work. Users love how easy it is to set up. Just plug and play with a single USB-C cable for both power and video. The sturdy kickstand is a huge plus, offering flexible viewing without needing extra accessories, and its slim design slips into any backpack. Customers also praise its eye care features, reducing strain during long sessions. But there are some cons. Some users noted it lacks FreeSync, so console gamers on PS5 or Xbox might miss variable refresh rates. The built-in speakers are okay but not great, so you might want headphones for better audio. It doesn't come with a protective cover, so you'll need to buy a sleeve separately for safe travel. Lastly, a few reported rare durability issues after months of use, so handle it with care. Should you buy the ARZOPA portable monitor? I say yes if you need a versatile second screen for work, travel, or gaming. It's perfect for digital nomads, students, or anyone wanting a portable setup, though hardcore console gamers might want FreeSync support. That's my take on the ARZOPA portable monitor. If this review helped, please like, share, and subscribe for more gadget reviews. To grab this monitor at the best price, click the affiliate link in the description for special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.